In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this animation in 4 minutes by using a build modifier. Let's select the cube. Tab, to go to edit mode, and 3, to face select. Let's extrude the faces individually like this. We can shift select the inner faces and remove them. Let's solidify the mesh. Shift D to duplicate, R to rotate, and S to scale. We can select the whole thing and rotate them as well. It would be cool to make the outer shell spin, but it would look even better if we can show how the mesh was built. We can even make the inner mesh rotate and animate. Let's add a build modifier. That's how the build modifier works. It deconstructs everything, and reconstruct it once again. I'll create a 100 frame long animation of the outer shell spinning. On frame 1, set a new keyframe on the rotation, Z, and on frame 100, change the Z to 359 and set a new keyframe. I'll add a metallic material. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.